In today's video, I'll show you how to open and use the layers panel in Canva. Whether you're a beginner or more advanced, learning to manage layers will make your design process smoother and more organized. Let's get started. First, open the Canva project you want to work on. Take a quick look at the elements on your canvas: text, shapes, or images. Knowing what's on your page will help you manage layers more effectively. Next, select any element in your design. Right-click on it to bring up the context menu. This menu gives you deeper options for editing your chosen element. In the menu, hover your mouse over the option labeled Layer. When you do this, Canva will open a submenu with more specific layer tools. From that submenu, click on Show Layers. This will open the Layers panel on the side of your screen. The Layers panel gives you a clear, organized view of every element in your design. You can drag items up or down to change the order, or group and ungroup them for easier management. Using the Layers panel makes complex designs easier to handle. Instead of clicking around the canvas, you can jump straight to the exact element you want to edit. And that's it. You've successfully opened and used the Canva Layers panel. With practice, you'll be able to organize designs faster, work with precision, and save time. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.